Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DocuSign with Monday.com. We'll start right from your Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to install apps for your workspace. If you're part of a larger team, it's a good idea to double check with your admin before you begin so the installation goes smoothly. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for the menu icon made up of 6 small dots. This is the quick launcher that opens up helpful shortcuts and tools. Click that 6-dot icon to open the menu. From the menu, select Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you can find and add apps that extend Monday.com, and that's where we'll grab the DocuSign integration. Once the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search field and type DocuSign. Give it a moment to load the results. In the results, find the DocuSign app. You're looking for the official listing with the recognizable DocuSign name and logo. Click the DocuSign result to open its app page. Here you can read a quick overview, see screenshots, and check what permissions the app will request. Taking a few seconds to review this page helps you understand exactly how the integration will work inside your boards. When you're ready, click Install App. At this point, Monday.com may ask where you want the app installed, either to a specific workspace or across your account, depending on your permissions. Choose the option that fits how your team plans to use DocuSign. You may also see a brief list of permissions. This is standard for integrations and lets DocuSign send and receive the data it needs to function, like creating items or updating statuses. Next, click Install to confirm. The installation will begin and in most cases completes within a few seconds. If prompted, follow any on-screen confirmations. After the install finishes, the app will appear in your workspace and be ready to configure. If your team plans to build automations, you'll find DocuSign as an option when you add integration recipes to your boards. If you're asked later to connect your DocuSign account, simply follow the prompts to authorize the connection securely. That's it. The DocuSign app is now installed from the Monday.com Marketplace. You started from the homepage, opened the 6-dot menu, navigated to the Marketplace, searched for DocuSign, opened the listing, and completed the install. With the app in place, you're ready to streamline approvals and signatures directly from your Monday.com workflows.